If you want to know how to change the Google Calendar date format, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to switch your calendar's date format in just a few clicks. This is really helpful if you want to match your preferred regional format, make dates easier to read, or simply customize Google Calendar to fit the way you work every day. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click that gear icon to open the drop-down options. From here, click settings. This will take you to the main Google Calendar settings page, where you can adjust a variety of preferences for your calendar. Once you're in settings, look at the left side panel and find the section labeled language and region. Click on that option to open the regional settings. Inside this section, you'll see the date format setting. Next to it, there will be a drop-down menu. Click the date format drop-down and choose the format you want. You may see different options depending on your region, such as day, month, year, or month, day, year formats. Select the one that matches your preference and Google Calendar will update the display format automatically. After that, your calendar dates should now appear in the new format you selected. That's all there is to it. No complicated steps, no extra tools, just a simple change inside Google Calendar settings. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.